So the idea for Let's Dance comes from Medora, Ebersole, in the Center for the Performing Arts at University Park. The idea was to partner with the community in an all-age, all-ability family community workshop.
We began the Let's Dance program about 7 years ago with the idea of offering a fun, free, no charge engagement where everyone is welcome.
Part of Let's Dance is about community engagement, and it's about building a community partnership. So finding ways to connect to the community, I think, has been a really appealing aspect of this specific event.
By headlining it with the For Good troupe, these are made up of individuals with intellectual disabilities, with Down syndrome. They love to perform, and at that same time they're learning really critical communication skills about how to carry themselves, how to interact with others. So the partnership brings some dignity to what we're doing and some validation that is so Penn State. It was incredibly exciting and a great gift to the Center of the Performing Arts that Michele Dunleavy chose Let's Dance as a key component of her Penn State Laureate experience this year.
It's a privilege. I mean, it really is. It's a privilege to be able to serve the community in this way. As a dancer in a university system that doesn't have a lot of dance offerings, this feels like a really big deal. I think it's such a great outreach program, such a great community engagement program. One of my sort of banners that I'm waving here as the laureate is that everybody has a body and everybody can dance. So Let's Dance just fits so beautifully into that sentiment. To have the sort of blessings of everybody to move forward with this has been wonderful.
And to have, see the center itself now consider this as an annual event. It's everybody's project. That feels so good.